So this euro dollar analysis for Thursday the 4th of October. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the euro dollar, we've seen sell some momentum come into the market, takes us through the 15.78, 15.54, and more recently that 1.15 here on the euro dollar. We've had price trade below the 1.15. Do appear to be building a bit of a base here and around that around the 1460s or so. Do appear to be seeing that bullish buy side recovery, currently rejecting at 1.15. If we do continue to reject this 1.15, we may see a further fall here in the euro dollar, break our previous lows in around the 1460s and possibly head down towards the very next level of note here on the euro dollar would be a move down towards that 14.29. Beyond 1.14.29, the very next level of note is a move down towards a 1.13. I wouldn't anticipate 1.13 coming into focus here on the 4th of October. So may just see the far end of the range being around at 1.14.29 or that 1.14. If, however, we do see a break above the 1.15 and we're able to hold the 1.15 for support, we'll be then looking for a move towards our 15.54, a successful break from which we're then looking for a price to head up towards our 15.78. And if there is sufficient volatility in the market in the coming day or so, we may even see that 16.12 tested if we do see a bit of a counter trend move here on the euro dollar. So a constitute trend that we've been in for the past couple of weeks here. Well, the past week or so here on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So over on the daily chart, we can see a pretty consistent sell-off after having prices head up towards this 118. We had a brief consolidation, didn't have a bull flag break to the upside. Instead, what we did see was a breakdown in prices. Broke out of this flag here to the downside. Pretty strong bearish momentum. Candles closing near their lows. Yesterday we did have a move up to the upside, rejected. We had a pretty strong move here down towards the pretty bearish move to the downside, closing near our lows. Currently we're retesting that 115, so if we do fail to hold that 115, we're looking for a counter trend move back to the downside. Now we've had the sell-off now for quite some time, so we have to be aware of the fact that we're nearing the end of the week, so we might see a counter trend move before further continuation. But for now, we'll see what prices do around this 115, whether we can break and hold above 115, or we'll see this continued fall towards that 114.29. And beyond that, we've got our most recent low, I think it's lows of the year so far, in around that 113 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.